Once again, it's simply Pinang TV. Our feature for today is a part 1 of different kinds of plants with meaning. Bluebell plants means humility. Black eye Susan plants means justice. Begonia plants means beware. Different varieties of begonia plants. Rex begonia. Next, torch pink begonia. Double up white begonia. Cactus cerise begonia. Ambassador cerise begonia. Non-stop rose begonia. Non-stop mocha yellow begonia. Richmond begonia. Solenia dusty rose begonia. Begonia grandis pink teardrops. Beading begonia. These are the different kinds or types of begonia plants. Baby's breath plants means everlasting love. Aster plants means love and tenderness. Next is arborvitae plants means unchanging friendship. Apple blossom means preference. Angelica plants means inspiration. Anemone or wildflower means forsaken or talikaran in Tagalog. Amaryllis plants means pride or pagpasigarbo. Aloe vera plants means affection or pagmamahal. Abatina flower means fickleness or pagbudhi. Acanthus plants means fine arts or artifice. Pag gusto niyo pong mayroon pa kayong gustong malaman, just comment down below para naman ma-feature natin sa susunod na videos ko. Salamat! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like my channel and hit the bell for more videos. God